mathematicians, I am going to show you how to plot coordinate pairs, and we're going to just review this really quickly. So as you can see here, the x-axis always runs vertical. That means left and right. And see how I color-coded this? And so this is the y-axis, and the y-axis runs up and down. So I color-coded this as well. Here I put the numbers, they go all the way to 10. And then on the y-axis, again, I put the numbers all the way to 10 as well. Okay, so these are my coordinate pairs. Remember that you open with the parentheses and you close it. And then the comma is there to separate the x from the y. So remember, this is the x and this is the y. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is the first coordinate pair. And I just want to stress out the strategy that we learned. There's 3 strategies that we learned today. But I'm going to use the you have to walk before you fly strategy right here. So this is 5, and 5 is on the x-axis. So I'm going to walk, right? I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I am at 5. Now I can fly. I'm going to fly to 8. So I'm going to go all the way up to 8. And here is it. Okay, so now that's my point. All right, so you have to walk before you can fly. Okay, I'm going to do the next one. Next one is 2. So I'm going to walk 1, 2. Now I can fly to the y, which is 7. So I'm going to fly all the way to the y. 7. Okay, you have to walk before you can fly. And then I'm going to do one more. And this one is 1. I'm going to walk. I'm just going to walk 1. Here it is. And then I'm going to fly to 6. I'm going to fly to, here it is. Okay. So I was able to successfully plot my coordinate pairs. Okay. I'm going to go to a second example. This has different coordinates. Again, here is the x-axis and here is the y-axis. These are my coordinate pairs. This is x and this is y. Okay. I'm going to start off with my first one. Remember, I have to walk before I can fly. So I'm going to walk 1, 2, 3, and then I can fly to 9. I'm going to fly to 9. There you go. Make sure that you get it in the intersection. Make sure that you get it where it meets. Don't do it in the middle of the box, outside the box. You have to get it right at the center where it meets. Okay. So the next one is 4. The coordinate pair starts off with the x with 4. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. I already walked, so now I can fly to 5. I'm going to fly to 5. Again, you want to get it where it intersects, where it meets. That's the origin. Okay. And then I'm going to do the last one. I'm going to do the last one. And it's 6. The x-axis, it's on the 6. So I'm going to walk to number 6, and then I'm going to fly to number 6 on the y. And here it is. Okay. I have to walk before I can fly. All right. So now this last plane, it already gives me the plots. I have to find the coordinates. So I'm going to do the opposite. Okay. It's the same style. I have to go with the x first. It always starts off with the x, and then you go into your y. So I'm going to go to the purple one. See how I color-coded it and labeled it just to help me out. And so I'm going to start here with the purple. How many steps did I walk? 1, 2, 3. So I walked 3 steps. And how many did I fly? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So my coordinate pairs are 3 and 3. Okay. So I'm going to go to green. Again, how many did I walk? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many did I fly? How many flights of stairs did I fly? 1, 2. So 7, 2. And then the last one is orange. How many did I walk? 1, 2, 3, equal 9. Okay, so these are some examples that you can use that will help you greatly when plotting coordinate pairs and when um, identifying coordinate pairs. Okay, this one we plotted right here. This one we plotted. This one we've had to find the coordinate pairs. All right. Thank you guys, and looking forward to seeing your work.